Recording is on.
It is the 28th of January 2021. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Lauren Salter was not able to join us tonight. It is Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. This week I got the meeting posted for January 8th. I'm in progress for the meeting on the 14th and 21st, 15th and 22nd, I think. The tank level project, I took 3 shots at getting a connector mounted to the side of the GoPro enclosure. It's a 4-pin connector, 0.1 inch centers, but it's not water resistant or anything. It is polarized, so you can't plug it in backward, which I have found is quite important. And I did not take and post a short video because it's very hard to stop what you're doing and take a short video when the sprint isn't complete. I need to have some more discipline and just take the video and post it. No progress on the mobile battery inverter or the SunFounder Raspberry Pi kit. I've made progress on one active project, but I still haven't posted any video on it. Next week, I have reduced my tasks to post something each week, reduced from posting on all projects each week. Get the GoPro case set up with a connector, successfully mounting ESP32 and the distance sensor inside, with cabling between them and the connector. This has been on my task list for quite some time, and it doesn't sound like it's epic, but it has taken me a long time. Blocks, I appear to have no motivation. I had time this week, but chose to do other things, play video games, instead of work on my hobbies. So I'm looking at reclassifying my video games as hobbies instead. No, I'm just kidding. The retrospective, I got 1 out of 3 points for my weekly plan. I'm not counting the progress on the GoPro because I've already counted it as 4 points for previous weeks, and it's not an epic task. 1 for attending stand-up, 4 out of 10, and the team is an 8. So process improvement, and that's about wraps it up for stand-up. I will try and do a little bit tomorrow on the week or the Friday meetup. Lauren's not going to be there again, but I am going to try and use it as a work session and at least get all the videos posted from the previous stand-ups. That's about it.